Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 2022 advent calendar from yesstyle. This one is called Beauty and the Bakery and the box is again so beautiful. So in this box there are products worth over $300 and it's only $164. Of course there are 24 items in here and they're all skincare and makeup. It's not out yet. I'm one of the first to actually unbox it, which I'm so excited about. The pre-order date is October 4th and the launch date is October 11th. We're gonna unbox the whole thing. Let's get started. This is the back, by the way. The design is again so cute. Oh my god. I've already seen the inside, but it is so gorgeous. They're like little boxes that they put stuff in. I zoomed out a little because it's so big, but okay. So they're like randomly all over the place. This is the first one right here. Let's open it up. So the first thing, Better Than Cheek. I think it's blush. Look at that. It's a really cute color. Then number 2 is right here. What is this? Mild exfoliant with AHA, normal and dry skin. Smooths the dull skin. Nice, so it's a skincare product. I like that. I'm very curious. Number 3. I like that you have to look for them. I think it's actually fun. Oh, it's right here. What is this? Moonshot Performance Lip Blur Fixing Tint. Oh my god. The packaging is gorgeous. This is really pretty. The 4th is my birthday. Day 4 is a black tea time reverse eye patch. 60 patches. Holy crap, that's a lot. This is it. Honest to god, I've never ever used an eye patch before. Time to try it, right? Number 5 is this one, a long one again. Rovectin. Yes, I love that. I got a set once from Rovectin. Absolutely great. This product is like one of my favorites ever. Oh my god. It's the Rovectin Clean LHA Blemish Ampoule. It really keeps your skin clear. I love this product. Oh my god, I've missed this. And it comes with stickers so you can like make it prettier. Okay, day 6. So far, so good. I love this. Can you tell? I'm way too happy. Vegan eyeliner. Long-lasting vegan liquid liner for a comfortable applicator to create an ultra black intense look. Oh my god, the packaging again is so cute. What day are we at? We're at 7 now. Oh my god, I see yellow. I love yellow. Glow Serum Propolis plus niacinamide. I love the packaging again. It's so pretty. So cute. I like it. Where's 8? Oh, 8's down here. Then we have Naming Reflecting Pearl Fixer. Finds natural to be highlighted according to each individual's style and taste. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. My reactions are so funny. I have no idea what it is, but I love it. I believe we're at 9. Oh my god, it's adorable. Look at the packaging. Oh my god, it's so cute. What is this? Avocado Relief Cream Mini. Look at that. I'm sorry, I get way too happy about this. 10, right? Oh. Scared me. Green tea and enzyme powder wash. Oh, it's a face wash. I think I'm so obsessed with all of these things. The packages are so cute. 11. Oh, that looks good. Extra slim metal mascara. Metal mascara that uses a metal brush bristle to evenly coat. Interesting. It's pink again. You can never go wrong with pink. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Reusable cotton rounds. I already have this, but to be honest, it's never wrong to have more because at some point you have to wash them and you're like, oh crap, I don't have any left. Oh, they're huge and so soft. They're so much nicer than the ones that I have right now. Then we have 13, right? Radiance Peeling Sleeping Pad. An overnight gel mask gently resurface skin with exfoliating PHA while deeply dehydrating. Deeply hydrating, not dehydrating. Again, I like the packaging. 14. Shalala Snowball Lip Balm. Look at that. There like glitters in it. That just looks really cool. Whether it's good or not, it looks cool. 15? Yeah. Oh. It's too cramped for both of us here. I think you should take over. Black Rice Facial Oil. Oh my god, that sounds so interesting. Is this what the packaging looks like? 16. Hi. Oh, small. What are you? Is it an eyebrow pencil? Waterproof Auto Eyebrow Pencil, Walnut Brown. I got an eyebrow pencil last year and I was like, I don't do my eyebrows. I don't think I'm gonna use it. But I use it every day now because it's so great and it's really my color. So I love that. This is it. I don't know if you can read it or not. 17. Bring Back Memories Hand Cream. Bring Back Memory? Is that the brand? Oh no, it's CRS. serious. This is it, a very minimalistic packaging, but I definitely do not mind. I like it. As long as it smells good. What did I do? Oh, I did 17. Okay, so 18. It's orange. It's really orange. Okay, I'm not gonna get this out. It fits perfectly. That's satisfying. Okay, what is it? Barrier calming mask. Oh, nice. Look at that. Ooh, the packaging is cool. I like it. I'm not a big fan of orange, but it looks good. 19. It is Extreme Gel Presso pencil liner. A pencil liner. Cool. Nice. I'm really curious. No. Open it later. Where's 20? Vegan rice milk moisturizing cream. Nice, really nice. Oh my god, gorgeous. That is pretty. Oh, I love it. It's so minimalistic. So excited to try this out. I'm sorry, I had to open it up. What day am I at? 21. Oh my god, that looks cool. Too Cool for School art class by Ledin Shading Master, Shading and Brush Kit. How cool is this packaging? Oh, it's contour. I'm sorry, I did not get that. Nice. Maybe I can finally try contour now. I don't know anything about contour. Now I can try it. Oh, fun. It also comes with a brush. Really cool. What, 22? Oh my god, that looks so cute. It's a lip sleeping mask. It's lip butter. Look at that. Oh my god, so cute. Apply on the lips and leave it on overnight. Use it throughout the day for smooth, moisturized lips. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's actually like a glass jar. I expected it to be like plastic or something. 23. Oh, we only have 2 left to go, right? Oh, there. It's a little oven. Are those face masks or something? Oh my god. A foot moisturizing mask? A foot moisturizing mask? Wait, really? I've never used that before. That is really funny. Oh my god, I'm really curious how that's gonna be. And then last but not least, 24. I see pink packaging. Sugar Twinkle Liquid Glitter. A hyper-reflective and multi-dimensional sparkling liquid glitter that gives fabulous makeup looks. Oh, so it's makeup glitter stuff. Oh, I'm really excited to try that. How cute. Oh my god. Did I open them all? I feel like I so did not, but I think I really did. I think I got it all. Yeah, okay, it's empty. So that was the 2022 Advent Calendar, Beauty in the Bakery. Oh my god, what a great Advent calendar. I am so incredibly happy with everything that I got. Like last year, there were a few things that I was like, nah, not really need that in my life, but still thank you, you know. But this is actually really good. I think I'm gonna use every single thing that was in this box. I am definitely very happy with everything, and I'm still gonna keep this box because it's so cute. You can reuse it if you want. After you've like used it, you can put your own stuff in it and give it to someone else, you know. I don't know if I have a link. If I do, I will link it down below. If not, you can pre-order it on October 4th and it comes out on October 11th, so keep that in mind. It's really worth your money. That was it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the family, and I hope I will see you in the next video.